Uh, Good morning here from the Philippines. To all the world here, to command my fellow counterpart of Jesus Christ here. I am not there without your living here. I'm also a human here. That's why I'm giving your time now to check, how to understand. You're talking me why? Because I'm not crazy here. I'm only doing my part to survive the world here for my faith. Or from my faith on God. Because you cannot matter to have a Muhammad here without your faith. So I have a Bible here to comment future also with faith to the Son, presumably. So I'm doing life here with all to support my God for his children sake and sin of that. Also, sin of them or sin of us. What I'm talking here, I'm not talking here with no question from you. You're questioning me. Who is your God? I'm sorry. I, I wait to see the word. You have Muhammad you talking here. I'm not reading yet your Quran because I have no access to have that yet. I don't read. I don't understand your the prophecy of Muhammad. I don't understand the decoding of your Quran. So many Muslims, I love them. Why? How? How? Because I'm doing for them. I knew your Islam supporter is what I mean is the guided Muslim from the law of your land or other land or to other Middle Eastern life here. I'm talking them because I need to be one here to help them. I give them. I'm crazy to go to bank to know my to know the banks which technology is technology trying me. I have to get money there to put on Mindanao energy, but I'm failed. It's a false alarm. Okay lang. That's a reason of life. Yeah. They test me. I concede. So no problem the future See, I'm only following God there with the technology of God. Because if you don't have mind world, you are supposing that the world is greed. That's why I'm talking to you, your Muhammad. I'm not disgracing him or other pointing him to have sin also. You know my facts here. My facts here is to survive the world with the nature support ano consuming energy from our obedience. Because the nature is following me. Whether the future is rough. What I'm talking here. Because God wrath here is being happening with this life to all the world here. Uh, Living life here to your countering is very very obvious to not good for the whole world. To the our galaxy, because we're pointing the world here later. That's why I'm calling you all Islamists here, or extremists. I'm sorry they call you extremists, because you're killing people with the innocent people. Even they are sin, they are innocent. Because if you judge them that they are responsible for their sin, what you're countering is also a sin. If you're gonna stop, the whole world will fall down because of the sin. That that's why I'm asking your leadership to surrender for God, not to us, not to to US, United States of America, or the all this, or the or the defense nature force. So I'm doing my shared here part, because I have the prophecy here. I don't know who you know me, or who you believe. But my understanding here, what the placard talking to you, is Muhammad is the true prophet who will reign to to be the king of this world. Where is he? Where he is now? I'm talking here. I'm asking. Where he is now? Because I'm here. I don't know Muhammad he will come back again, because I don't read Quran. But God is Abel is shouting here. If in the Quran that story there, shouting for righteousness, or for the rights of God, of His children. I am not doing this for me, but for all the world here, or for God sake, or nature love. Because our nature is will depend himself to also not killed, or died, or have death, because they living also. They have the spirit, the wind of the spirit of God. And we'll counter all here to have equal support here from your belief first to our salvation. Like the Gentiles here. If the Gentiles move to understand the world, or God, the world of God, Jews will follow. I'm sorry if that is a reverse thing, but or vice versa. But that is a fact that I read. So you also back here to survive the all people here. While I'm talking not Christianity. Because Christianity is a group that that believing Christ, no. It all started also to Pope Francis, the whole world ministry or on his radical changes or justice spoke here. Thank you. All Islam is here. I talk always here because I have to open this world to free life all. Thank you, and I'll be back here. Thank you for the time here. Thank you for your support. For your support to have peace later. Oh, now because it's that all change in that pink of Panay. All change. That's the box of God. Thank you. I will heal all. Thank you.